Hello guys, we're just out in the area next to your new build, so we wanted to stop by and give you an update on how things are coming along over there. Looks like they're getting ready to pour the driveway soon. Quite a bit has changed since the last time we stopped over here. Sounds like there's work in progress. Let's intrude a little bit. And the master suite, looks like everything is painted. The tile is in. How you doing, guys?
Hi.
We're just doing a quick update for our clients. Sorry.
It's okay.
Catching you in the middle of working. How's your day going? Having a good day?
Yeah, good day.
Awesome. Thank you for letting us intrude.
You're welcome.
Looks like the vanities are in and the shower is coming together. How you doing, buddy? And the closet is coming together as well.
Yeah, and they'll have a built-in here.
Oh yeah, there will be a built-in bench area. Dresser. And it looks like some of the exterior pieces have been updated since the last time we came over here. So let's just head outside and check out the rest of it. Looks like the main laundry room is also being worked on. Let's use the other door to go outside. We'll just do a little walk around. Maybe we'll snake out through the garage. Oh, that one's locked. Let's just...
Here, you just do this.
Michon's a pro. So it looks like the RV garage is pretty close to finished. There's some cutouts for plumbing, the 50 amp power, water, clean out, all set and ready to go. Look how huge this place is. You got all kinds of car lifts in this place. You're gonna need to buy more toys. Do not touch those wires. We'll just walk around. I don't want to mess with their setup for the doors. Yeah, the front looks awesome. It looks like they framed this section off for driveway. Yeah, the front is coming together. They finished up the siding over here, and the stucco is going in. And we have a suspicion that your neighbor's house, that house on the corner, we actually walked through it. It's going to be a really nice, I would guess, a multi-million-dollar house. It has some really high-end features and a nice big pool. Really wanted to give you guys some drone footage, but unfortunately, per FAA regulations, I'm not allowed to fly this close to the airport. So this will have to do. Let's check out the backyard. So from the very corner, the patio is done. There's some nice texture pieces in between that kind of break things apart. And it looks like they started working on the block wall on the neighboring property. That will give you some privacy. You could see that far block wall over there. That is how tall it's going to be. Looks like it's at least 6 feet tall. So you'll have some really decent privacy. This is it for this week's update. Looks like things are coming together. Hope you guys had a great Christmas. Michon says hi. We will keep you guys posted and stay in touch.